So you bought a Bronco, but you don't like the way it sounds. AWE has come out with a better solution. We're going to change this stock exhaust on this Bronco, put one of their new stainless steel exhausts on, and plus, look, we get a little sucker. It goes whoom. As you can see, we just sprayed WD-40 on, not the bolts like everybody thinks, but these are actually being sprayed onto the bushings to help us of removal with the exhaust. The bolts, luckily we're in the state of Florida, we don't have a problem with too much rust, so these are coming off fairly simple and fairly easy. Quick, simple little hand tools. You can do this in your driveway, make it nice and quick and simple. We try to give you a driveway scenario where we're doing it on the ground instead of putting it on a lift. Same goes for the back. We're just spraying off all the actual bushings for the exhaust, and we're going to drop the muffler, and then we'll start installing. What we do at our shop is we play and lay down every single piece so that way we know exactly what section we need at the next time. In this video, you can only see the one section. You can't see on the outside of the what is actually being viewed. It actually laid out. So all we're doing now is bolting up to the factory location to where the other side of the catalytic converter is. Nice, quick, and simple. And we're just putting the factory bushings on, or at least making sure that the hangers that come factory with the exhaust are actually in the correct location so we can continue on. Simple gaskets here and there, bolting it up. It's a very simple bolt-on easy kit. Let's continue on to the next. As previously stated, we sit here and everything is bolt up. It all slides in together, making this kit really easy and really simple to install. So one thing they offer is if you're off-roading, you can actually take the last section of your exhaust off so you're not damaging the tip or damaging all the actual pipe fitting or anything else that actually can get hit by rocks, or you're going to crush it with trees or whatever else. They actually give us this little bitty extra section here with an extra welded piece on the outside to help protect it. So that way, if you do kick up a rock or you do kick up a tree limb, or you just get in a really bad bind and you're in a rut, you're not damaging the rest of your exhaust tip. This actually comes off the back section, take it off, and it bolts right up and it actually tucks up out of the way. Depending on which configuration you choose, whether you're off-roading or not, you also have this option of having the tip out of the exhaust. So if you're not off-roading, then throw your fancy tip on and go enjoy life, or take it off when you decide to go rock crawling. Now, be sure to also remember, you do not fully tighten this kit until the very end. You run back through at the end once everything is set, then you give everything a quick snug up, torque everything down. What we always do is we then will drive it, get the exhaust hot, run it down the road, and then torque it one more time so the customer doesn't have to worry about an exhaust coming loose right after they leave our shop. me talk about. This is a piece of exhaust. They put it in a vise. They bent it to fit this form. They welded on some hangers. It goes whoom.